Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is watermelon rind with bacon. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 16 ounces watermelon rind, skin removed, red flesh removed, cut into bite-sized pieces, approximately 2 inches by 1 inch by half an inch. 4 ounces bacon, cut into small pieces. 4 ounces onion, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup chicken broth. Half teaspoon salt. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. We are going to cook the bacon for 4 minutes until the fat has come out and the bacon is browned. It's been 4 minutes. The fat has come out and the bacon is browned. Now we are going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The onion is slightly soft. Now we are going to add watermelon rind, chicken broth and salt to cook for 10 minutes with cover on until the rind is soft and the liquid is gone. Stir once in a while. It's been 10 minutes. The water rind is soft and the liquid is gone. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.